Okay, so this is Bill from BNC Ultimate RC. We have the Volcano EPX out for its first run with a Nimh battery. Just first thoughts, the servo seems like it's very weak at a standstill. See how it does when it drives. Alright, here we go. It moves pretty good for being a brushed motor. And on a Nimh, which I'm not at all used to running. And the servo works fine while you're moving, so that's not an issue. Maybe something to possibly be upgraded later. That's full speed. It jumps nice. I'll take it out in the driveway, out on the road. Get a little bit of a speed run in. See what it does on asphalt. Good turning radius. I like that. I forgot it was like to run on Nimh batteries. World of difference. Used to them Lipos. It is a good looking truck, I gotta say. I like the body on it. Also, I heard, a lot about the body was too far forward on a lot of the earlier videos from 2016. When I looked it up earlier, they've corrected that problem. The original body back, I guess in 2016 or whatever, was the body was made for nitro, the nitro version as well as electric. So the body was more forward, which kept it sticking out past the bumper. And you can see now it's not that way. They've corrected that issue, so that's good. That's a big difference from what I'm used to running, that's for sure. But it is a cool truck, and I can see it's got potential. I say, I don't think I've run a Nimh battery in anything except for maybe the rally car. I gotta say, running on Nimh even, for the money, I would say this is really a decent deal. And I'm glad Mr. Calico gave me the opportunity to test this out, to show you all, because for under $140 price tag and it's ready to run with a battery and charger, you can't go wrong. And then you just take your time and upgrade it. It's got 12mm hexes on it, so you can put anything that fits on the tracks or anything like trenchers or whatever on there, which once I put the brushless upgrade on it, I'm going to be certainly doing that. As well as one of the other problems I was told was brass pinion gear. One of the other packages that showed up one day last week, I forgot to mention, was a steel pinion and spur gear set, factory size, but steel. So we're going to put the brushless system in it and see how the plastics hold up. Oh, kitty. There's a volcano. Kitties don't like the RCs. So on the Nimh battery, the stock battery, I want to show you all what the temperature is on this thing after a 7-minute run. It's reading about 125 degrees. Yeah, right about 125, somewhere in that area, between 103, 125. So, like I said, it's after a 7-minute run is where it's at. It's not bad, not bad for brushed. So let's go to 2S Lipo. Okay, so now we have the Volcano out, and we are running a 2-cell 5800 mAh Traxxas battery, 25C discharge. Big difference already. Huge difference. Definitely got more pick-me-up. I am concerned about engine motor temperatures at this point though. Man, the thing jumps nice. It's just balanced so well as I flip it over. It just jumps just straight as an arrow. Alright, so we did a couple jumps with it. I want to take it out on the road now. And I stand corrected, you cannot run it on 3S. It is to be run on 2S. And for some reason the truck does not have reverse now. Don't know why. So the reverse was a fluke. It has reverse. Much faster. Not a lot faster, but it's faster. That's what I would expect out of a brushless. I mean, yeah, I keep saying brushless, brush motor. Definitely getting a little bit of air now off the hill. Yeah, it definitely got more pep. I like it. However, I can't wait to tighten it up with a brushless system. So one of the things that were talked about, not just bending the axles, but without changing the configuration, which I forgot to do, the axle popped out, which is one of the things that were mentioned by Mr. Calico. So the truck is down, so that's what it is. The changing that configuration on your links, your adjustable links, will also keep your axles from popping out, as it just has, as you can see. But it's okay. We're right at the 7-minute mark, so I want to take it inside and get a reading on the temperature of the motor, and then I'll get that problem taken care of with the axle. 7 minutes running on the 2S Lipo. We're at 141 degrees, 148 degrees. So considerably hotter, not a big deal, but can't wait to finish changing this thing out, and got to get this fixed. And also, these steering knuckles have the poopy little E-clips on there. I will be taking those out because it's a matter of time before they come out and on their own, and I'll be putting screws and nuts, lock nuts on in place of that. So there you have it. There's our first testing on this thing. Our next step will be switching out to the brushless motor and ESC, the GUL RC 3800 kV setup. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll be seeing you again soon. We'll have another video up on this in a few days. Thank you very much.